Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia 3-Zone Washing Machine Pro 14 kilos introduces a genuinely new approach to home laundry, pushing Xiaomi further into premium smart appliance territory. Built around a unique 3-zone drum system, the machine is designed for households with large laundry volumes and more complicated cleaning needs, especially where hygiene, fabric sensitivity, or cross-contamination are concerns. Xiaomi has positioned this model as a flagship solution, and the level of engineering and intelligence on display makes it clear why. At the heart of the appliance is its unusual drum layout, which separates laundry tasks into 3 independently managed spaces: 2 small 1-kilogram drums and a large 12-kilogram main drum. This approach also addresses the growing consumer demand for separation between regular clothing and items like baby garments, athletic wear, or undergarments. Machine sterilization capabilities are unusually strong for a home appliance, capable of eliminating more than 99.99% of common and harmful microorganisms. One of standout technologies in this model is Xiaomi's super electrolysis technology. By generating high-concentration active oxygen, the machine can reverse the yellowing of white fabrics, remove chemical residues, and lift around 20 types of difficult stains. This treatment also reduces color bleeding, making it suitable for mixed-color loads that would normally require caution. With trend towards smarter and more autonomous home appliances, Xiaomi has built in an advanced detergent management system that stores 4 different liquid detergents or additives. It automatically dispenses optimal amount based on fabric type, load weight, and even seasonal factors, reducing waste while improving wash quality. For users in hurry, Xiaomi includes fast cycle modes such as the 36-minute essence wash and the 12-minute lightning wash. These cycles are designed not only for speed, but also for efficiency, with Xiaomi claiming reductions of up to 45% in water and electricity consumption. Drying performance also reflects the same level of differentiated care. The main drum can perform low-temperature drying for larger loads, while the smaller drums handle gentle drying at around 42 degrees Celsius. Intelligent sensors continuously monitor fabric dryness to prevent overheating or overdrying, preserving the longevity of garments. Pet owners will appreciate the dedicated de-fur mode, which removes almost 93% of pet hair and helps prevent fur from circulating into the rest of the laundry. Durability and stability were also major design considerations. The machine features a reinforced steel chassis to support the movement of 3 independently operating drums, paired with a high-level anti-vibration system that minimizes noise and shaking. As expected from a modern Xiaomi appliance, the entire unit integrates tightly with the company's ecosystem. It works with the Mi Home app and supports HyperOS Connect, allowing users to control and monitor the machine remotely. Voice control via the Xiaomi Assistant further simplifies day-to-day operation. Available for pre-order in China at $920, the Mijia 3-Zone Washing Machine Pro 14 kilos is targeted at households willing to invest in a highly advanced, multi-purpose laundry system. By tackling hygiene concerns, fabric care, efficiency, and user convenience all at once, Xiaomi has created a washing machine that stands out not only for its technological ambition, but also for its ability to solve real-world washing challenges in a smarter and more comprehensive way. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.